In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste in your Android phone. So if I open any keyboard, just tap here and then tap here again. Now just touch and hold here and then select your all the text. Just tap on select all. Then just tap on copy and it's done. Now if I open another app, just open up notes. Now if you want to paste your copy text, you can use two methods. For the first method, just touch and hold here, then tap on paste, and that's it. You can see the text has been pasted successfully. Now for the second method, just use your keyboard. Here you can see a clipboard option. Just tap on clipboard, and that's it. On the clipboard, you can find here all the copied text. Now to paste the text, just tap here, and that's it. Also, if you want to copy the text from here, just touch and hold it and then select the text, then just tap on copy and it's done. Now the text has been copied successfully, and that is how you can copy and paste in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.